Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Before I start my presentation today, let me introduce myself. My name is Panji Bayu Satria, and I am responsible for manager of Microsoft company. And the purpose of today's presentation is to tell you the basic way to make a database using Microsoft Access Point. And if you have any question you would like to ask, please keep in mind and leave them until the end when I'll be happy to answer them. And in this presentation, I'd like to cover 2 points. Firstly, I'll start by describing the definition about database and then the function of database. And the second one is how to create database. Well, what is database? Database is a collection of data or information obtained and then stored in a media, generally on a computer. And database processing is used to simplify finding information on your computer. And what the function about database itself? Firstly, simplify the process of identifying data, and the second one is about to avoid store double data, and third one, make it easy to use on almost all sites. For example, you can make new data in database and you can delete it, and also you can update your data. And the last one is for digital data storage. And that's all the definition about database and the function about database. And now let's move to the second point, that is how to create database. Well, before you create a database, you must have Microsoft Access Point first, because with that we will create database. And if you already have Microsoft Access Point, double click that icon in your desktop and then will pop up this display, and first step is choose create and then click table design. After that we must to fill this field name with ID first. For example, product ID, and data type is auto number. And don't forget to click primary key for your product ID. And if already done, let's move to the next step. We will fill this field name with some text. For example, and product brand. And last one, product type. Well, for product name, product brand, and product type, the data type is text. Well, if you already done, fill the table, press on your keyboard Ctrl S, and then will pop up this one, and you can change the name or not, but for this time I'll change the name with product table. Press enter, and you can see the result. And in this you can fill want your product name, your product brand, and your product type. For example, coffee, Merdeka coffee, and the brand is Merdeka, and type is coffee. And the second one is aqua water. Brand is aqua, and product type is water. Well, that's how to create a table in your database. It's only table. And in this time, let's move to how to create form. Well, it will simplify you to fill this table with form, not with table. Okay. Well, the first step is back to create and choose form wizard. If in your laptop or your PC this form wizard doesn't exist, you can looking for in more forms. For this, for create form, click form wizard and choose product table that you already create before, and click this one to move this field to this. Well, if you already done, click next. And for your form layout, choose columnar and click next, and you can fill your title form. In this time, we will change with product form and click finish or press enter. Well, this is the display about your product form, and for this form we will add a button to simplify you create new data or delete your data, and also save your data. Now, how to create that? First, right click in this icon and choose design view. Well, will pop up your design view, and you can set your layout as you want, and choose this one button for your save button, delete button, and add button. Click and put in layer, and then choose record operation and click add record and next. And in this time you can choose you will use picture or text. For this time we will using text. And click next and finish. Well, your add button already done, and it's same for the save button and delete button. Click on your layout and choose record operation and click save record next, and change to text. Choose the name with save and finish. And for delete button, delete record, next, change the name and finish. Well, this is your button. And if you already done with your button, press on your keyboard Ctrl S and will pop up this display, and you can change the name with product form. Click OK and close. Well, your product form already done, and I will show you how to add new data with this button. Click, and for product ID, you don't have to fill that because it's automatically filled by Microsoft Access. Well, you just fill product name, product brand, and product type. Well, for example, Genco milk, and product brand is Genco, and product type milk, and click save. Nothing happened? Yes, but in your product table it's already shown. We will add two buttons again. Navigation button. Well, to back and to next. With picture, not with text for this time. Click finish, and for next navigation, choose next and click finish. Well, our navigation is already done, and Ctrl Shift you want to save? Yes. Now you can choose which one your data you will delete, and for this time I will delete Genco milk product ID with product ID number 3. Click delete, and will pop up this information: you are about delete one record. If you click yes, you won't be able to undo this delete operation. Well, if you click yes, your data will delete. Click yes. Well, you can see in your table your data before, which product name is Genco, already deleted. Well, that's all about the basic way to create database, and for more information you can ask me. And thank you very much. Have a nice day.